Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Thought I'd do something a little bit different today. I'm gonna be drawing or showing you how to draw Steven from Steven Universe. It's one of my favourite TV shows at the moment and I thought it would be fun to draw him. So without further ado, let's get cracking. I'm gonna be using just a plain blue coloured pencil. I'm gonna go over it with a normal pencil. Got my rubber here just in case. And I've got some fine liners and other stuff, but we'll see what it looks like at the end. But yeah, let's get cracking. So first, I think I'll start out with a circle for his head. Now, with Steven, he's actually broken down into a lot of shapes. So his head is a circle with sort of like a weird kind of oval coming out on the one side. Probably a bit more like that. And then his body is basically another circle. Just like that. This pose we're going to be drawing him sort of like jumping in the air, like woo! So, just turn the reference back on. And yes, children, use reference. Whoever demonized reference needs a good smacking. Anyway, so here his arm will be coming up here and going sort of like that. Going round. It's basically just drawing lots of shapes and then connecting said shapes up. But yeah, this should be relatively easy to draw, she says, having done this a few times already. So yeah, I'm just basically outlining the head. Now his mouth kind of fills this, goes around, and it kind of goes into a bit of a point here. So, and it nearly touches his arm on this side, like that. And then his teeth come down in here, his little tongue here. His eyes, another couple of circles. And then his nose comes down in front of that eye there. So, and then another couple of circles for the eyes. Hair, more circles, or bumps, I guess you'd say. We're doing like bumps, fisty bumps. Now, me personally, I'm not trying to get it exactly like how Rebecca Sugar has him on, you know, how the animators have drawn him on Cartoon Network. This is kind of like a fan art style. You know, it will look like him, but it's not gonna, you know, be a rip, if you get what I mean. So although we're using their drawing as reference, if you add in a few extra bits, or you know, it doesn't matter. Like, you do you, boo. Which is what I'm doing. I'm just adding in a few extra little lumps in his hair, and like, for some reason on this one he doesn't have eyebrows, but I'm sure it makes sense in reality. Anyway, enough of that. His arm looks very weird. Oh well. So other arm will be about here, and then the fist will be about here. Do. So then basically he's got his hand coming in front of here, and then he's making a fist. Oh, I've done that wrong. Whoops. Let's just 4, that's fine. Oh well, we can just kind of skim that over. It's fine. It's fine. It's a cartoon. It's fine. Right, his little tum-tum there. Okay, knee goes about here. And his arm is about like that. Oh my god, it's so funny. How am I gonna fix that? Oh dear Lord, Leo, what have you done? Ignore that hand. Oh well, right. So he's not quite a ball. He's like more like a squash ball. So I'm sort of doing this here. He's got another little knee there, and then his feet are sort of like discs. Oh no, that's not right. Right. His feeties are a little bit more like this. Feeties! Oh dear Lord. I have not been drinking. I promise you, guys. I promise you, I've not been drinking. This is just how sodding insane I am. Right. Let's go for the other one. Oh dear. Right. Feeties. Feetie number 2. Oh, this is Leah Bourne. This is crazy. This is definitely not going to look like Rebecca Sugar's drawing at all. At all. But never mind, hey? We live and we learn, because this worked out perfectly when I did it on the iPad earlier to figure out all the dimensions and all the things that I needed to work out. It worked perfectly. Of course it would work perfectly when I'm not doing it on camera. Why would it work when I'm doing it on camera? But there you go. Let's just make that a little bit less severe, shall we? And make that a bit more. Yeah. He's a little bit rotund, but maybe we can make it work. Maybe we can. Oh, excuse me. Again, I promise you, I haven't been drinking. I'm not quite sure why I've got the hiccups. They seem to come and go as they please. Right, let's try and fix this blooming. Right, so if this is the thumb, that's got to be finger number 1. That's got to be finger number 2. Finger number 3. Right, there we go. I figured it out, guys. I figured it out. I put in an extra finger. Right, let's give this a go. Ah, there we go. There we go. There we go. I'll fix it later. Oh, God. I feel sorry for you if you've come here to learn how to draw, because it's just, yeah, trial and error, I guess. I give you the basics, I suppose. Oh, Stephen. I love you, but you're not looking so great. You look very rotund. Right, what happens if, let's say, we try and fix him a little bit, because he's looking a bit weird. Whoop. Fixing Steven Universe. Right, let's try this again, shall we? People. Right, so he's got, that definitely goes there because it's like where his line of his trousers are. So then we've got there's little feeties, and then really we want that coming up there. And we want his backside going under there. So if we do that, it's still a bit over the top, but it is looking slightly better. So yeah, if we just do that and then put his little feeties in. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, that's too big. That's too big. Oh dear. Oh dear. Oh dear. Oh dear. I think he looks a bit better. Maybe his arm's too big. Maybe we should like shave a bit off that. God. Yeah, maybe this series should be called How Not to Draw. It's probably more accurate right now rather than How to Draw. Oh dear. How many times have I said oh dear? Oh well! Right, let's try and like refine this a little bit. So I'm just going in with a H pencil because I find it smudges less on me like all the other pencils in the goddamn world. But yeah, I'm just going in and I'm just gonna try and highlight a few, well, highlight the bits of information I kind of want to keep. And then hopefully it will make a little bit more sense when I come to ink it. Then again, it might not. So, is all I can say. Finger number 1. Oh no. Finger number 2. Finger number 3. He's got really chunky fingers. Really chunky fingers. Oh God. What is happening? What is happening? I don't even know, Stephen. Oh, I'm sketching in the wrong pencil, people. Bad, Leah. Bad, Leah. Right, let's try and get this star to look a bit more like it actually belongs on his t-shirt. Boop, boop, boop. That'll do. So I think we'll just go in with blooming pen. Try and get this hot mess cleaned up. Let's sigh. Alright, let's see if this is can be salvaged. Oh well, if not, we gave it a best shot. God. My career as a Cartoon Network illustrator is not going to start anytime soon, I can tell. However, Rebecca Sugar, I do apologise if you ever do get to watch this, because poor Stephen is all I can say. But hey, how can you get better if you don't practice, am I right? So this could be classed as practice. If you guys need to practice, then yeah, probably don't follow this video, but hey, if it's entertaining, give it a thumbs up. If you want me to do any more of these god-awful things, then please do let me know in the comments, because I'm at a bit of a loss of what to do, because material reviews are kind of boring. So, meh. Well, so far so good. It looks like Stephen, so I guess we can't complain so far. Or can we? Who knows? So it turns out that I'm not very good at talking while I'm inking. Huh! That's a revelation. Usually I'm really good at talking. All the time. Oh well. Ta-da! Well, I think all things considered... Oh, don't forget his little... All things... Oh... Wait. Now it's done. Again, all things considered, I think we did okay. Oh, we've missed some bits. Dear Lord. Oh. We missed his ear. Whoops. So his ear is there. And his hair is there. And there. Oh, what is my life? Nope, that's the wrong pen. Where's my pen gone? Stupid pen. There we go. Now I made him. There you go. Magic. If you wish to continue with these magical drawings of how not to really draw your favourite characters from any of your favourite cartoons or whatever, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment. Maybe give me suggestions on what content would be better. But yeah, I will see you in the next one. Bye!